Your own imagination can make women want you sexually, but you must be able to imagine whatever I tell you in this video. And this all starts by understanding a very fundamental spiritual principle told by Neville Goddard. He said, your imagination creates your personal reality. And I understood this during COVID lockdown. When I was 19, I got my first intimate relationship with a girl. At that time, I was into pickup artist. I was learning all sorts of game techniques. And I thought this pickup artist, this outer game tactics got me my girl. But during COVID lockdown, I was struggling with panic attacks and I decided to turn inwards in order to heal these anxiety and panic attacks. And during this meditation and during this studying of spirituality and consciousness, what I realized was outer game never worked. It was all my imagination and the feelings that I had while I was reading a book called Sex God Method that manifested this intimate relationship into my visible world. My imagination and my feelings were the thing that actually got me my first intimate relationship. So forget about all these outer game tactics and all these pickup artists and dating gurus. They do not know what they are talking about. Your only real true power is your own imagination. You can completely change your personal reality through your mind, through your imagination, through your attention. This is also the reason why yogis call our personal reality as Maya. Maya means illusion, just a magical lie. Your personal reality is a magical lie, is an illusion because it is an extension of your own mind. Whenever you can upgrade your state of mind through certain meditation and imaginative exercise, suddenly all the tragic and terrible circumstances that do not please you will vanish away. And you can attract the most wonderful circumstances in your life. For example, girls just coming to you, they noticing you, they wanting to be with you. You can attract all these wonderful things towards you simply by upgrading your state of mind through imagination. Now, you have to understand how to use your imagination in order to attract girls, in order to get girls to sexually be attracted towards you. And this is accomplished through telepathy meditation. The first step of telepathy meditation is Yoga Nidra. Yoga Nidra puts you into a receptive attitude of mind. And only when your mind is receptive, you can impress all sorts of visualization and all sorts of imagination into it. So when you do Yoga Nidra, it is just a process through which you guide your attention through your body parts one by one until you achieve a state of relaxation. This is when your breathing rate slows down. When your breathing rate slows down, your brain waves slow down as well. Right now, your brain is producing beta brain waves. But when you do Yoga Nidra correctly, your brain is going to produce alpha waves and theta waves, which are slow, coherent, and just beautiful. And when your brain is producing these beautiful, slow, coherent waves, your brain will be able to think in pictures. And all these mental pictures, this visualization, are ready to go and impregnate your subconscious mind. So after you do Yoga Nidra, what you're going to do is you start to create an imaginal act that signifies to your mind that your desire of attracting the girl towards you sexually has already been accomplished. What you're going to do is you start to create an imaginal scene where your maybe best friend is coming up to you and he's saying, "Oh my God, that girl is actually with you. Congratulations." Or you can imagine that you're actually taking the girl that you desire so much in your arms and you're kissing her. She's complimenting you, saying things like, "Oh my God, you're so amazing. Why didn't I meet you earlier?" And you can see that her pupils are dilated. You provide all the sensory vividness to this imaginal act so that your brain thinks that all these wonderful things are actually happening to you in real time. Now, what you're going to do is you Mentally rehearse this imaginal scene over and over again by holding your attention on it so that you can feel the feelings of joy or gratitude or thrill or victory or satisfaction. Because only when you combine imagination with positive elevated feelings, this imagination is going to get outpictured into your visible world. Your imagination plus feeling is a program that is directly going to go to your subconscious mind. And your subconscious mind bends physical reality. It starts to interact with every atom of your physical reality. It starts to mess with people's free will until whatever you have imagined actually happens to you. Because your subconscious mind is infinitely intelligent, infinitely wise, infinitely powerful. The only problem is you have to be able to hold your attention on this imaginal scene until you feel the feelings from it. But your attention has a very monkey-like nature. It likes to jump to one past traumatic event, to another future worst-case scenario where the girl rejects you or just slaps you in the face. But if you manage to discipline your attention and feel the feelings of your imagination, then you have just performed telepathy correctly. Now you have telepathically communicated to the girls that you desire to come towards you, and they must listen to this telepathic communication. In your visible world, girls will start to notice you. They must come towards you. They'll start to say things to you like, wow, you're so amazing. Whatever you have imagined will actually happen to you in the most unexpected manner. I want you to do this telepathy meditation every night for at least 30 days before falling asleep, because you have to be able to train your imagination, train your attention, train your body's capacity to hold these positive feelings for a long period of time. Because a normal human being cannot visualize strongly. He cannot put the sensory vividness in his imaginal scene. A normal human being has a cooked attention span. He cannot hold positive feelings for a long period of time because he has practiced feeling negative emotions or unworthy for the majority portion of his life. So invest in yourself at least for 1 month, and one day you'll land this program into your subconscious mind, and suddenly everything will change. You'll get girls to be attracted towards you sexually without actually having to raise a single finger in this visible world. You will lose free will and you'll just utter the right kinds of words. You will exhibit the right kinds of behaviors. Girls will lose free will and they will come towards you. They will want to sleep with you simply because your subconscious mind is doing everything for you. Take your ego out of this equation. You're not doing anything. Girls are not doing anything. Your subconscious mind is the only real power. Please understand this. I want you to do this telepathy meditation before falling asleep. Feel the feelings of joy, gratitude, and fall asleep. And when you wake up in the morning, live your life normally. Forget about your meditation. What that does is, it does not let you get immersed in this anxiety or concerned about whether or not whatever I have visualized is going to happen or not. Because when you sit in these feelings of anxiety or concern, you're just pushing your visualization further away. So consider yourself to be a scientist of your life. Just do this experiment every night. Offer this experiment to God, to universe, to whatever you believe in. And when you wake up in the morning, forget about it. You did your duty. You did the experiment. Now live your life normally. This way, you become a magnet for all the girls to come towards you. Remember, imagination is the only power. You do not have to rely on outer game tactics or pick-up lines. Once you learn how to imagine correctly, how to feel the emotion of your imagination correctly, everything will be done by your subconscious mind. Now, if you want to learn how to imagine correctly, how to use your attention strongly, how to hold these elevated emotions for a long period of time so that you can completely disregard outer game techniques and pickup techniques and dating gurus in order to get girls, then message me on my Gmail or my WhatsApp, which are linked in the description box down below or the pinned comment section down below. Subscribe and I will see you in the next video.